National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a source. Radar indicated impact. Damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations include Bowie.
Alright, are you on 860? I can hear it, yep. Oh, crap. Oh, Caleb did not relay.